Time for a little midnight snack. Time for a little midnight snack. Alright, so first we need the pan. Fill it up with some water. Put it up on the kettle. So, then. Put it on high for a little bit. Well, first we need to do ramen. So, top ramen chicken noodle soup. I need some scissors for this part. Sorry about that camera thing. Kind of awkward. Just gotta shake it down. Okay, time to put this in the kettle. It's scary putting it in. Okay, I'm gonna find a fork. It's a long one. I don't understand. It's not. Okay, I'm gonna figure this out. Okay, I guess I got it back in. That boy is hot. Now that boy's extra hot. Would you guys lick this for $1 million? Probably not, but it's worth a shot. And I also forgot, we need to put this in the sink before I'm done. I'm also gonna get a bowl set up. Hold on. Alright, got the bowl set up. Because I wanna use like type of action. I'm gonna sit here and wait for it to boil. I'm just gonna put it on. Okay, so we're checking on it. Pretty soft. Just a little jiggly. Okay, so now it's all soft and like that and everything. That boy's steaming. But anyways, now it's like that. We're going to grab an oven mitt from over here. Okay, this is some really handy dandy work right here, so better be careful. Alright, ready?